Good morning, I am Bala Saraswati. She is Afrita Tasnim, my teammate. We are from final year AAA at Ramco Institute of Technology, and our project guide is Mr. Tangam, Assistant Professor of AAA at Ramco Institute of Technology, and our project theme is Artificial Intelligence, and our project title is AI Driven Integrated Monitoring Platform for Mother and Child Health. And our project is about monitors the health condition of the mother and the fetus during pregnancy, and to track the health condition of the baby after birth through mobile application by integrating RNN. RNN is recurrent neural network machine, and we are integrating sensors for the monitoring, and we are using DHT11 sensor to measure the temperature of the mother, and we are using heart rate sensor which will monitor the heartbeat of the mother, and we are using blood pressure sensor which is used to monitors the blood pressure of the mother, and we are using ADXL345 accelerometer sensor which is used to monitor the fetal movements, and we are using glucose monitoring. Glucose monitoring sensor is a non-invasive sensor which monitors the glucose level in the blood, and we are using a ESP32 microcontroller. We are interfacing these sensors into the ESP32 microcontroller, and ESP32 is interfaces with IoT, and the IoT is connected, and IoT will help to store the data in the cloud, and data in the cloud, and we are using AI tool as RNN. RNN is a recurrent neural network which is pre-process the data, and it will compare the data, and it will notify whether the given values are normal or abnormal of the mother.
This is a project prototype which includes a non-invasive glucose monitoring sensor, heart rate sensor, ADXL345 accelerometer, ESP32 microcontroller, DHT level sensor, and blood pressure sensor. Coming up with non-invasive glucose monitoring sensor which has an IR LED and a photodiode. By placing a finger contact by the light emission and absorption, the photodiode would conclude the glucose level in the blood. It is an heart rate sensor. By placing a finger contact in an LED, by the light absorption and a reflection, it would give the heart rate of the mother. It is an ADXL accelerometer which is connected in a waistband. When a mother wears this waistband, it has an ADXL345 accelerometer which would measure the baby movements in 3 axial. And this is an DHT level sensor. By placing a finger contact, we could analyze the temperature of the mother. It has a thermistor inside it. The resistance of the thermistor varies with respect to the temperature. Pressure sensor setup which comes up with a switch, handcuff, small DC motor and a solenoid valve. By giving a DC supply to this setup, and by starting the button, the handcuff gets tightened or arm, make the blood flow resist in our arm. By resisting the blood flow, we could easily analyze the blood pressure of the mother. All these sensors would give these measured signals to the ESP32 microcontroller. The ESP32 microcontroller would give the data to the IoT interfaces which would transmit the data to the cloud. The cloud gets stores the values, measured values, and RNN machine learning would pre-process the data measured through the sensors, and it would compare the data with an abnormal condition and normal condition and gives the output through an APK file.
This is our mobile application. In this mobile application there are 4 pages: home, services, chat and settings. In home page, the first one is pregnancy date. In this box we should mention the pregnancy date. For example, I can give this date, and in this current pregnancy week we should mention the week, and according to the week and date, it will show the care tips what the pregnancy women should do. And in awareness post, it will tells about the nutrition, what exercises should the pregnancy women do, and the symptoms of the pregnancy women, and the mental health oriented, and the preparing for labor. And in appointments, it is about the scheduling when the pregnancy women should go to the hospital. In screening, it will gives the values like temperature, heart rate sensor, blood pressure sensor, and glucose sensors values are shown in this page. And this is also in this page also values are shown. In reports we can upload the reports, and we can and in the app will tell about the description about the report. In baby growth, it is about the vaccination, when the baby should take the vaccinations. And in services, it in the book appointment will get helps to book the appointments from the doctors through online, and this is a helpline. And in chat we can directly connect with the doctors, and we can take suggestion from the doctors. And in this, and last one is a settings page, and that's all. It is all about our app.